Hi, this is Ifan representing Iconic Cars. Today we're going to talk about Hyundai Sonata, Korean made. Okay, let's do it. It's a 2012 version Sonata. It's a 2-liter. It's a luxury vehicle. It's a copy of Mercedes C-Class. You can see the look of it. Has 17 inches alloy wheel. Color is called crystal white. We got the reverse sensor, no cameras, no reverse camera. That's the original reverse sensor. Okay, okay, this is the exterior. Yeah. Okay, we'll see if there is any damages in the body exterior. Uh, the right side fender looks good, no dent. The signal, the winker mirror, the glass has been cracked. I have checked from the company. This product is available. You can get it. There is a small stretch. This could be because when you open the door, it might have knocked down a wall or something like that. Yeah, good. Apart from that, driving door looks good. The rear door is fine. Nothing wrong. There's a small scratch here. There's a small dent. So all looks good. The roof is fine. No dent in the roof. There's no dent on the roof. Yeah. And then the left side. There's nothing wrong here. There is a small dent. This side, wing camera looks perfect. Nothing wrong. There's a small scratch here. That's it. Okay. There's another small scratch. Fog light is perfect. Nothing wrong there. Okay. All right. So let's get into the interior of the vehicle. This is Burgundy interior. It's maroon color. This is the remote key. It's electric seat, working perfectly. And it has this memory. It's called memory seat. Can set the whatever the alignment you want in driving seat. This is a paddle shift feature. We have to get into the car and see the mileage and other stuff. Okay, I'm gonna start the vehicle. This is how it looks. It has done 125,354 kilometers as of today. stereo control. This is strip and resetting the meter. So this is a minus. You reduce the gear, then you change the gears from this. The original setup. Switch off this for the AC unit. Small, these are small scratch marks. So when you use the leather seat, when you get like that, it is visible because of the dark color. The seat is so dark, the maroon color, that's why it's visible. The interior looks good, no dirt, nothing. Okay, let's get into the rear seat. Super luxury. Looks really super luxury. Almost, competing Mercedes and other luxury vehicles. To hamper space. This AC is working. Yeah. So this vehicle has a dual AC. Armrest, very spacious. Yeah. Now this is how it looks from behind. Spacious. Okay. That's it. That's it from the interior. Let's get into the boot and see all the space and things like that. Okay, I have to open up the boot. You have to open it here. You got two buttons. This is for the boot. This is for the petrol tank. Let's check on the boot first. See, got a huge space compared to other sedan vehicles. It has a huge space in the boot. Let's check whether there is any damage in the boot. Looks perfect. Nothing wrong. The 3M gum looks perfect. The tool kit is 100%. Fine. Let's check on the engine room. You see the engine is on. There are the shocks. Engine room looks perfect. Chassis looks 100%. Okay, 16 watts engine. So this is it. Yep. So what we saw today is a Hyundai Sonata 2012 version, 2-liter petrol engine, sedan, Burgundy interior, electric seat, and it is under second owner. So yeah, the tires are all good. So that's it. And the super beautiful car and a luxury vehicle for a reasonable budget compared with other luxury vehicles. Okay, then we'll see you another day with another car. Bye bye. And by the way, you can inspect this vehicle from Iconic Cars, number 33, S.Jayasinghe, mawatha, Kalubowila. You can contact me. I'll post my number in this video, and please subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot. This is Ifan. Bye bye.